Hello my dear students, I hope you are perfectly fine after enjoying your holidays. Now let's start study. So today in this video lesson we are going to learn another topic from writing section. But before I start that topic, I want to discuss something with you. Okay, you tell me, how do you feel when somebody helps you or gives you something? Obviously, you feel glad, you feel happy. Okay, and what do you say in return? Yes, you say thanks. So my dear students, so my question is, why do we say thanks? Do you know why do we say thanks? Think? Yes, we say thanks because it shows our appreciation, conveys our gratitude. It also a sign of respect to the person who has helped us. It is also an indication that we don't take them for granted. Okay, so my dear students, suppose that friend who has helped you is not with you at the present moment. So what will you do? Obviously, you will write a thank you note. Okay, so do you know how to write thank you note? Okay, today in this class, I'll make you understand how to write it. Okay, so my dear students, you know what? Thank you note. So handwritten thank you note is the most heartfelt way of showing gratitude. Okay, so let's start. Okay, here I start. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to make one box. Okay, so after leaving equal margin from all sides. This is the way you have to make the box. And what is the second point? You have to write heading. And where to write heading? Yes, in the middle of the box you have to write heading. So beta, after leaving some space below the heading this side, okay? So this side you have to write date. And don't forget to write current date. And you already know the format of date. Okay? So below the heading, this side, what you have to write? You have to write day. Suppose today is Monday, then you will write Monday. So Monday is a proper noun. Okay? So what you have to write? You have to write capital M. Okay? So below the date, you have to write salutation. Do you remember what is salutation? Yes, it is a way of showing gratitude. Okay, so it depends on the relationship. Suppose if you are writing a thank you note to your friend, then you will write like this, dear, followed by the name of your friend. If you are writing a thank you note to your teacher, then you will write like this, respected madam or respected ma'am. If you are writing thank you note to your mother, the dear mother. Okay, if you are writing thank you note to your father, then you will write like this, dear father. I hope it is clear, beta. Now what next? Okay, next is the most important part, that is the content, message, what you want to convey. So my dear student, it has different segment. So very first, okay, what you have to do? So first you have to say thanks. That means you have to show your gratitude. You have to develop this line like this. Thank you very much. Okay, now what next? Next step is mention the reason. Then you have to mention the reason why you are showing gratitude, why you are saying thanks. Okay, suppose your teacher has appointed you as a class monitor and you are very happy. Okay, so you want to write a thank you note to your teacher. So how will you start? Same. You will say thank you very much, okay, for appointing me as a class monitor. So you have already mentioned the reason. Now what is the third step? Beta, you have to add specific details. Like, now how will you take that responsibility? How will you pay that responsibility? Okay, so you will write like this, I will then you will have to write, then I will pay my duties with great sincerities, or I will maintain discipline. There are so many other things you can add. Okay? Clear? Now next, restate your thanks. Don't forget to say thanks again. So you have to say thank you once again. Now beta, last and with your regards. So you will write like this, regard, and you will put your signature or your name. I hope it is clear. The format is clear to you. Okay, now what next? Now I'm going to give you one example, one topic. Then you will have to develop a thank you note on that topic. Clear? So let's start. My dear students, you have already learned the format of thank you note. Now we will do practice. So the topic we are going to discuss is that your teacher has appointed you as a class monitor. Now you are very happy and you want to write a thank you note. So let's see how will you write that. Okay. So first of all, you have to frame a box leaving equal margin from all sides. Okay. Next step is you always have to write heading in the middle of the box, and like this, thank you note, and all the letters, it should be written in bold letters. And after leaving some space below the heading, here this side you have to write the date, that is current date. Okay, and you already know the format of the date. Next, here below the heading, this side you have to write day. Suppose today is Saturday, then you will write like Saturday. Okay. Then after leaving some space below the date, you will write salutation. Now you are writing a thank you note to your teacher. So you will write like this, respected ma'am. And please be careful when you are writing this word ma'am. It is a shortened form of madam. Okay. So you have to insert, you have to put apostrophe. Okay. Clear? Now comes the most important part, that is the body. Okay, that is the message, the content. Okay, so I hope you remember that. How do we start? So first of all, we have to say thanks. So we have to write like this, thank you very much. Now you have to mention the reason why. So for making me class monitor. Next, now you have to add details. You have to write 2 to 3 lines. Okay. So related to this. So I shall maintain discipline in the class. Okay. Now next, I promise to pay my duties with great sincerity. Okay. Now last but not least, what you have to say? You have to restate thanks. You have to say thanks once again. Now you have to end the thank you note with regards. So regards, and after that you have to put your name. You have to write your name here. I hope it is clear to you. Now I will send you another topic and you have to do practice, and you have to do that topic in your fair notebook. I hope it is clear. So my dear students, that's all for today, and we'll meet you in the next English video lesson with another topic. Till then, bye.